So today we are going to be doing goat's brain fry, and I'm going to be doing my mom's recipe. So my mother is visiting me here in Chennai, so I'm going to be doing her recipe with her help, of course. So take a big onion, cut it into small pieces like this. Then you just add a little bit of salt, some turmeric and some chili. So உப்பு மஞ்சத்தூள் and மிளகாத்தூள் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி add some water like this and let it just bake, like let it just bake for some time. It should look something like this. Then take some oil and you can just cut the piece of the brain like this, like however you like, to bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I basically cut it into 5 pieces because I like chewing on like really nice big chunks of brain. And then what you do is add some sombu. So I don't know what it's called in English. So add, it's the bigger size of சீரகம், பெரிய சீரகம் சொல்லுவாங்க. Then add onions and curry leaves and add your brain, and that's basically it. So add your வெங்காயம், கருவேப்பிலை and the brain that you have. Keep it in low flame, and then just cook it really well, you guys. You just have to like fry it for some time till the onions have become, onions and the brain has become one. You can also take whatever's left in the baking vessel and add it to your brain, so it becomes this super delicious yummy brain fry. எனக்கு இந்த brain fry na ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So I tried to talk as much as I could in English and Tamil, so both people, like people who speak English, people who speak Tamil can also understand. You can try this with any type of brain that you find available. I love goat's brain, actually. It's one of my most favorite dishes. So it is done. Tada! So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. It's the most simplest dish ever. யார் வேணால் அந்த டிஷ் பண்ணலாம். இட்ஸ் சூப்பர் சிம்பிள். இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். நல்லா குக் ஆகிருக்கும். டக்குன்னு சமைச்சிடலாம். இட்ஸ் சூப்பர் டெலிஷியஸ், yummy. So I'm just gonna show you guys. This is just how it looks. Super delicious. So if you guys try this, please let me know, tag and let me know what you guys actually think about this dish. So I'll see you guys in my next video with another dish. Bye.